Welcome back, guys. Well, guess what? I'm the proud daddy of a 10-pound baby pre-muffler or chamber, exhaust chamber. That is the thing that makes a bunch of quiet sounds. So I had to go through the hassle of taking off the heat shield down here. And here is the header. That's where the catalytic converter is. There's another one here, as you can see. That's gonna go back on. And long story short, that chamber in the middle is a pain in the butt to remove. So if you go there, you gotta unplug the O2 sensor, take off the header. That's the most important thing, so everything can slide forward and the rest should be fairly straightforward. Anyway, I'll get back to you. See ya. Okay, so I'm back. Basically, this is gonna replace this. There's a big gasket here that I had to remove, and that will go into the new one. I also have to get one of these grommets and put it here. That will be the next step. All right, everyone. Everything seemed to be buttoned up. And now it's time for a cold start. Much louder. More on that later. It is way louder, and I love it. Definitely sounds like more like a dirt bike with a thumper. So anyway, more on decibels to come. Bye-bye.